Hi guys, this is a tutorial for making flashcards using Google Slides. You can see here my final product of the Dolch Words List 2. I've created a slide deck, and whenever I went to print, I used the handouts with 4 flashcards per slide. You can choose whichever size you prefer to have on yours to be printed out if you're going to print them. Let me show you how I made these pretty flashcards. I will start with a new one. Now, the first thing that I did was I included a background. I wanted to add some color. I changed the background. I chose an image. I went to Google image search and I just searched for a pretty background. The following came up. I chose one that I thought was not too wild, but just added a little color. So I chose mine and inserted it. I added to theme, and then I was done. Now I have this poofy cotton ball looking background. I typed all the words onto the slides, and I used the same size font. This is Happy Monday, Happy Monkey, size 180, and that would fit on the slide fine. And I use that for each word on the slide. There's a couple of the longer words that I had to reduce the font size. Now, once you type your word, you're going to want to add this little oval. This was I thought was something to really bring the kids' attention to the word. To include an oval after typing the word, you want to insert a shape. I went to the shapes and I chose the circle. Now the circle I made into a oval. You have to change the shape so that it is the fill color. Change the fill color to transparent. Now you can see the word that's behind it. I also wanted to really bring attention to the word by making the background white. This covers up your flashcard word. However, if you change the order and send it to the back, now it's showing your word again. I liked to jazz up my line around my words. Here we go. And so I left the color the same, but I changed the size of the line to 4. I also changed it to a dotted line. So I went through each flashcard and inserted this circle. I copy and pasted the circle on each slide, and then I had to send it to back for each one of them. And then this is a long list, so it took me a few minutes. Probably took me 5 minutes to do that. But my end result is I have pretty flashcards for my student, and hopefully they will appreciate the look of it, and it will give them a little motivation to memorize the spelling of their Dolch words. Thanks. I hope this is helpful.